Pipe manufacturer Jung-Bo Stainless, located in Gyeongnam, Yongsan, South Korea, is sharing our fuel pipe tube mill production line, a fully automated process that transforms raw steel coil into precision fuel pipe tubing. From TIG welding to precision cutting, every step is engineered for dimensional consistency and weld integrity. The process begins with steel coil feeding. Material is supplied at a consistent speed through a precision control system, ensuring stable raw material input as the foundation of quality. In the roll forming section, flat steel strip is progressively shaped into a round tube profile through multi-stage rollers. Each roller gap and pressure is precisely calibrated. In the welding process, both edges of the formed tube are welded using a high-quality TIG arc welding process. Consistent weld quality determines the pressure performance of the fuel pipe. In the sizing section, the outer diameter and roundness of the welded tube are corrected to final specifications. Strict dimensional control ensures consistent quality. In the cutting section, tubes are precisely cut to specified lengths and transferred to the finished product rack. Cut-end accuracy is also strictly controlled. Finished fuel pipe tubes undergo final inspection before delivery to our customers, finally supplying Hyundai and Kia with quality and reliability as our top priorities. Jung-Bo Stainless is committed to continuous innovation and quality excellence, proudly growing as a trusted precision tubing partner for not only the automotive sector but also heat control.